Want to go up by those trains. We're coming into Livonia, folks. Took a little bit of a side street. Got my chauffeur here, Gene, and Charlie's with us too. Gene's gonna do the driving and I'm gonna keep the picture taking. And if you look here, you got some old rusty buildings. Might start up, but I really came in. Oh, look at those cars. Wow. Look at that. Turn left, Gene. There's all kinds of train stuff around here, which is really neat. I may have to come back by and look at those cars. Old VW bus and boat over there. Yeah, this is the old part of town, I guess. Make a great arts district, wouldn't it? Yeah, look at those buildings. Wow. And there's a nice mural up here, a Coca-Cola mural that's been redone. Look at that. And we're in the main part of town. I think you'll have to turn right here, Gene. And if you will, take a left where that truck's going. Go right here and oh look, there's Peachy. Peachy Falls. And yeah, a little pavilion there. And if you will, Gene, just go clear around to that road we were on a while ago. Whoops, somebody's coming out. We'll take another look at that gazebo. Gene and Jane. Gene and Jane. Little store here. Yeah, there's a coffee tech. Turn left. There's the Lavonia station, train station that's been around forever. Oh look, there's a Sincliar Station. We may have to come around the other way. Yeah, we'll do that. Gotta wait for traffic here this afternoon. Really kind of neat. I've been meaning to come down here and take this video for, oh, probably 3 or 4 months. Now turn right, Junior, at this place. The railroad track goes right through town. And it's kind of a roundabout way, but there's a station now. And I don't know what's been done with it. Looks like they've got something going on with it over the years. Old buildings here. And playground. And turn right here on this road here. And a nice church there. I don't see any trains coming. Doesn't look like there's been many a train come along here at all. Go straight up to the stop sign, if you will, Gene. Another little church. Little house. There's some older houses here, too. Turn right. That's a dead-end street up there. So now, if you go right here on this Highway 59 and 77 connector, we're going to turn right on 59. Gene, if you will, turn right up here by the station. And we'll go down and look at the other side. There's the main part of town there. Yeah, turn right that way, yeah. There's the railroad station. Days gone by, passengers used to come along here and freight. Look at this right here. I think this might be, no it isn't. I thought maybe that was an old boxcar, but nope, it doesn't look like it was. There's the station. Charlie's looking out, he's just enjoying this ride. Yeah, turn right up here again, if you will, Gene. Maybe go across the other street over there and go down there and come. I tell you what, turn left and go that way. We've already been this way. Get a little house back there. No, go on down that way. And just go to the right. I want to go into town from the other direction where we came in earlier. And there's the railroad track. I just wonder how many trains come along here. Look at this old building here. Looks like a old house. Public meeting place. Who knows? I don't know what that is. That brick. Turn left here. And let's see, I'm not sure what highway we're on here, but probably going to take a minute to get out. Rally station there. Rally automobile park. There's an old house right there. Pretty neat place. Traffic just coming, so we just have to wait. That's the way it is when you have population growth, right? Must be about quitting time work. Let's see, 3:42 in the afternoon. So that's probably what's taking the time. All the traffic coming by here. There's a chicken wagon. I guess they'd haul them chickens to Chick-fil-A. Lots of trucks. Go. Okay, I got you. Stay in this lane. Car coming on the right. Until you figure out where you're going. And looks like the truck stop here. I did want to come by this little food place over here on the left when we get up there. I thought I'd just show you that. Charlie, he's still looking at that railroad station. Yes, he is. How you doing, Charlie? Oh, he's gonna come see me now. He wants to get up here with me. No, let's not do that. Let's stay back in your seat. I'm trying to film here. We may have to. Oh, maybe we got a light now. Okay, thank you. Victoria Bryant Park, if you ever got a chance to go to that one, that's a pretty neat one. There's food store getting it's like a Halloween crowd. And over here we got some girls. They're getting faded. Go ahead and go straight, Gene. Over here on the right we have a little station that's been redecorated. Charlie would like to get up on me and put his paw on me. Well, no, you have to stay back there, Charlie. Yeah, you have to stay back there. I have to edit this stop out. Get back, Charlie, get back. Get back in your seat. Go on. Get back in your seat. Go on. There we go. There's stations in there. Back in the park now. I guess they made that into a radio station. And when you get next turn left again, here again, 14.
Here?
Yeah, that'd be fine. I want to look at that house there. That fenced area. Got the truck now. What I want to do is go back over there and come around where we first came around and look at that train engine. A lot of afternoon traffic here. I don't know, let's maybe turn right here and see some of them cars again. Kind of go down there. I don't know whether it'll be down there or not though. Yeah, turn to the right. You turn left here, I guess.
Here?
Yeah, right there. Go slow through here. Got some old trucks and trailers. Old, looks like a GMC maybe. I wanted to show you this little Volkswagen bus. The boat, little bug. Somebody smashed the side of that in. Turn right here, Gene. Used to be a Chevrolet place there apparently. Yeah, I want to go back and see these cars here. Apparently this is a wreck car place, but they do have some old cars. There's Volkswagen up here. Yeah, it has a tow truck. Corvair. Yeah, a Jeep. You know, 51, 52 Ford or Mercury. And an old Chevrolet. A couple old cars there. Oh, there's our engine. Look at that. All right, turn left and we'll go by them. I'm not sure what this was, but looks like they had some old engines they were just storing there, and they probably just got old. There's one inside the building, so maybe they're still restoring that or fixing it up to run on the rails. Fabrication place there. Well, let's take it back up into Livonia. Wherever you can.
I don't know if we're in Lavonia.
Get up to that red line there and turn left. That's some neighborhood, somebody's old bus loaded up with firewood. I guess it may be lumber. Yeah, look at this house over here. Right there, it's got some big columns there. We'll see it here in a second. There it is.